ఓం శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. భద్రం కర్ణేభిః శృణుయామ దేవాః, భద్రం పశ్యేమాక్షభిర్యజత్రాః, స్థిరైరంగైః స్తుష్టువాంసస్తనూభిః, వ్యసేమ దేవహితం యదాయుః. స్వస్తి న ఇంద్రో వృద్ధశ్రవాः, స్వస్తి నః పూషా విశ్వవేదాః, స్వస్తి నస్తార్క్ష్యో అరిష్టనేమి, స్వస్తి నోర్బృహస్పతిర్దధాతు. ఓం శాంతి శాంతి శాంతి. టుడే is a very auspicious Hanumad Vratam. In North India, people celebrate it as Hanumad Jayanti, but as per Parasara Samhita, it is the day Chaitra Purnima is the Sankalpa is taken for 41 days until Vaishakha Bahula Dasami, which comes as Hanuman Jayanti. So in the year there are three main Hanuman Upasaka festivals followed by Hanuman Upasakas are there. Chaitra Purnima, Vaishakha Bahula Dasami, and in Margasira Masa, Margasira Amavasya, Chaturdasi Amavasya, Trayodasi, Chaturdasi Amavasya, those are in Margasira Masa. So these are three key events. The Vijayotsavam is Chaitra Purnima, then Hanuman Jayanti is the Vaishakha Bahula Dasami, and Hanumad Vratam on in the Margasira Masa. So fundamentally, as of now, we are going through difficult times. The world is going through the difficult times, and we all can do a simple sankalpa. Anjaneyam Mahaviram Brahma Vishnu Sivatmakam Tarunarka Prabham Santam Ramadutam Namamyaham. Choosing Anjaneya as Ramaduta, as the Duta or the teacher Swarupa, who can bring auspiciousness. He brought Sanjeevani, he brings Rama to Sugriva, he brings news of safety of Sita back to Rama, he takes the news of Rama looking for Sita to Sita. So he brings things, he carries, he brings the auspiciousness always. So Hanuman's Vijayam is the Vijayam of everyone. Hanuman Nama, as per the Mantra Shastra, is recited 12 times a day, is as effective as any other Mahamantra. So for the next 41 days starting today, we all can resolve for the universal well-being. We all invoke Hanuman's Ramaduta capacity so that we continue to hear Bhadram Karnebhi Shruniyama Deva, the Shanti mantra I have recited just now. Bhadram, the peaceful, the secure well-being is heard by us. We see the well-being. Bhadram Pasyema Akshabhiryadatra, Sthirairangai, all the angas will be stable at the places. Tushtuvagam, with Tushti, Tushtuvam, Saha Tanubhihi, along with the body. Vyasema Devahitam, so all the Swastina Indro Vruddhasrava, Swastina Pusha Visvavedaha, Vruddhasrava Indra be Indra, Indriya, Lord of Indriyas, be auspicious to us. Swastina Pusha Visvavedaha, the knowledge giver, the Pusha, who nourisher of this body. Swastinaha Pusha Naha, for us, let him be Swasti, be auspicious. Swastina Tarksho Arishtanemi. So Arishtanemi, Tarksha be, Tarksha is the carpenter in other words. So one who fixes all these things, be properly fixing these things. Swastinor Bruhaspati Dhatu, our Bruhaspati Swarupa, Guru Swarupa also be, give the right thought process to all of us. So getting all these things done, the combined Brahma Vishnu Sivatmaka Swarupam, Hanuman, can be invoked into a simple mantra. Sri Hanuman, Jaya Hanuman, Jaya Jaya Hanuman. 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 Like that, all of us can invoke the power of Hanuman within us, including one's own self in the universe, to give this auspiciousness, Bhadram, with this, for this 41 days from this Vijayotsavam, Hanumat Vijayotsavam Chaitra Purnima today to Hanumat Jayanti in the Vaisakha Masa Bahulapaksha Dasami, which is in English dates 4th of June. So let everybody use that opportunity to at least 4 times or any number of times this Mahamantra of Hanuman, Jaya Mantra of Hanuman, Sri Hanuman, Jaya Hanuman, Jaya Jaya Hanuman is recited. 4 times reciting this, 4 times 3, 12 times of Avartana of Hanuman Shabda will come. This Hanuman Shabda Avartana, let it fill everything Bhadram in the individuals and in the universe. With that Sankalpa, I take leave. Swasti Prajabhya Paripalayantam Nyayana Margena Mahim Mahishaha Go Brahmanebhya Subhamastu Nityam Lokas Samastaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti 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 Swasti.